This is Amit. As you all have got the VIT integrated MTech rank based on your class 12 PCM score. So different board have get different type of rank based on a particular mark. So internally they have done normalization. So based on that, what will be the rank versus all branch I will discuss here, as counseling already started. For that also I will guide you. But the main important thing is that minimum 70% in class 12 is required even to get category 4 or 5 in Vellore and Chennai, and minimum 65 is required for Amravati and Bhopal. And if you are from SC ST category, 10% you can deduct. That is in Vellore and Chennai 60% for you, and for Amravati and Bhopal 55% for you. So hope you get my point. Now let me start the video. Before starting itself, I am telling you, if you want my guidance, then only you can contact me on the number available on the screen. Otherwise, don't try to irritate me. You will listen bad words from me. It is clearly mentioned. If you want the proper guidance, then only try to contact me. Otherwise, no need to ask me free question. Ask in the comment section. So hope you get my point. So here I'm starting with VIT AP, a score versus branch. Category 8, category 1 CSC in collaboration with Virtusa 8,000, and software engineering 9,000. Category 2 10 and 12,000. Category 3 15 and 16,000. Category 4 17 and 19,000. Category 5 20 and 22,000. That is category 5 I am talking about. And once you do better counseling, then only you will get the best out of your rank. For that, I am guiding the student from last 6-7 years. So if you want my guidance, contact me on the given number, but only if you want my guidance. Please don't irritate me. Otherwise, be ready to listen from me. So now next is VIT Chennai cutoff. Here is the information. Category 1 6,000 CSC data science, software engineering 8,000. Category 2 8 and 9,000. Category 3 10 and 12,000. Category 4 12 and 14,000. Category 5 15 and again 15,000, because I think below 70% you will not get the seat. If you are from SC ST, you can get up to 22,000 rank also in the software engineering. So this was about VIT Chennai. Now I will discuss about VIT Bhopal. Again I am repeating it again and again because many people are irritating me. In that case, I will not able to provide you information, and also you will listen bad words from me if you irritate me, because only for paid guidance I am here. It is not like I am unemployed and you will call me again and again. So here category 1 Bhopal 10,000 CSC with data science, software engineering 12, cyber security 11,000. Category 2 12 15 and 14,000. Category 3 14 18 and 16,000. Category 4 17 20 and 19,000. Category 5 20 24 and 22,000. This was about VIT Bhopal. So better counseling will always help you to get the best out of your rank. So whenever you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge, so that on the screen you are getting all the numbers. On the screen you are getting the number to contact me. Through WhatsApp also you can contact me, or direct call also, but if you want the guidance, then only. Now Vellore main campus I am talking about. Category 1 3,000 data science, software engineering 4,000 in collaboration with Virtusa 5,000. Category 2 4 5 and 6,000. And category 3 6 8 and 9,000. Category 4 9 11 13. Category 5 11 14 and 16,000. So this was about the complete information regarding all campus rank versus branch I have discussed for VIT integrated MTech course. So VIT counseling is a unique type of counseling. One option you will get only one round, and in that you have to do the choice filling carefully. For that I will guide you one to one. If you want, you can take my guidance. Thank you.